You need a proper plan to support your future goals. The action items to execute the plan should be taken with due care, namely selecting investment avenues, continuing your investment journey, and proper exit from investment before the goal. The first step of selecting investment avenues should be done with proper research or professional guidance. This video helps you in understanding the product SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus and take an informed decision. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus. It is an individual, non-linked, non-participating life insurance product. First, we shall look at the features, maturity benefit, death benefit, and advantages and disadvantages of this policy. Next, we shall try to compute the potential return from this policy. This will help you to take informed decisions. First, we shall look at the features of SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus. Simplified documentation and enrollment process. Affordable premium based on your age and sum assured. You can choose a policy term either 10 years or 15 years. At maturity, you will get a guaranteed benefit of 100% or 115% of total premiums paid. Now, we shall look at the benefits we get under the policy. Death benefit. In the unfortunate event of death of life assured during the policy term, sum assured on death will be payable to the beneficiary, where sum assured on death will be higher of basic sum assured or 10 times the annualized premium or 105% of total premiums received up to the date of death. Next, maturity benefit. On survival till the end of the policy term chosen, the following maturity benefit will be payable to you. If policy term is 10 years, 100% of total premiums paid is returned as maturity benefit. If the policy term chosen is 15 years, 115% of total premium paid is returned as maturity benefit. SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus does not offer any other benefit other than returning the total premium paid. If we work out the internal rate of return for this cash flow, it will be zero under regular pay because 100% of premium is returned. The IRR for limited pay will also be very meager because 115% of premium is returned. Though you may get back your money at the end of the policy term, the return is minuscule or nil. To understand this, a benefit illustration taken from the policy brochure is explained here. A 25-year-old male buys SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus for a sum assured of Rs 1,90,000. He would be paying an annual premium of Rs 2,000 for 10 years. At the end of 15 years, 115% of total premiums paid, that is 23,000, is given as maturity benefit. The IRR is calculated at 1.33% in the above illustration. Term plans do not accumulate any cash value or provide a saving component. They are designed purely for providing financial protection in case of insured person's death. On the other hand, traditional insurance policies offer both life cover and savings or investment component that grows over the policy's duration. This SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus does not offer any cash value, but it just returns your premium. You pay the premium and get the life cover during the policy term. Your premium is returned without any value addition. SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus neither fits in the insurance basket nor the investment basket. Do you think it is wise to invest in a plan that only pays your premium back without any added benefit? Our final verdict is a big no for SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus. The sum assured is very low under SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus. The minimum sum assured is 30,000 and the maximum sum assured is 4,75,000. The minimum sum assured under Saral Jeevan Bima policies is 5 lakhs. Saral Jeevan Bima policies are standard term plan as per guidelines of Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, IRDAI. So there is no point in opting for SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus. The main purpose of obtaining a life insurance policy is to protect your family in case of eventualities. But like many policies in the bazaar, the sum assured of SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus is too low to cover even the basic needs of your family. It is completely absurd to choose SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus. Be careful of insurance agents who try to push you into this plan for their agent commission. Traditional policies offer a combination of insurance protection and savings or investment opportunities. Traditional policies usually have higher premiums because they combine life insurance protection with savings or investment element. Term plans generally have lower premium compared to traditional insurance policy. Term plans are often preferred for their affordability and simplicity. When choosing a term plan, it is important to consider your financial goals, budget, and the level of coverage you require. A detailed blog post on this topic is available in our website, and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.